Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this stained glass masquerade mask makeup look. To start this look, I blocked out my brows, and with black face paint, I'm sketching out the shape of the mask. Trying to make the shapes look like classic stained glass windows. Here I'm kind of creating a winged eyeliner type look to the eyes. Then I began filling each section in with color, trying to stay within the lines, but sometimes I had to redraw the black lines again. Then once I had the solid color, I went in with the white Mehron powder, and I put the white powder in the very middle and then sort of blended it out, making sure the most saturated white color is in the middle of each shape. This will help with the illusion of this being a window and the light sort of shining through. And I repeat the same process for every section. For around the eye area, I just kind of made a larger section and filled that in with blue. And that completes this stained glass window masquerade mask makeup look. I've always wanted to try a stained glass makeup look and thought it'd be interesting to make it with a mask-like shape. I had a lot of fun with this look and really like how the colors turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.